What's up guys, and welcome to a new C# tutorial, and today I'm going to cover the for each loop, which is another way to loop through an array or through a collection. Today we're going to loop just through an array, which is the one we created earlier in the video before. So how to make a for each loop is pretty similar to a normal for loop, which is you're going to type for each, then this, and in between here we're gonna do a variable type, then the variable name, in this case string str, because it has to be equal to the array type, and then we're gonna type in, and over here we're gonna do the list name or array name in this case. So what we're gonna do next is put our code in here, but first I'm going to explain how this works. So what it's doing here is for each value that the list or array, in this case array strings, has, so this value, this value, this value, it's going to create a temporary variable called str, which is a string, and then it's going to perform this code, and it's going to do that for each value in the array. So in this case we can do console.write, and then we do str. If we run our code, you can see it works. So basically you can also check if str is equal to hello or str is equal to world. If that's not true, then nothing is gonna happen. Or we can do, for example, else console.write, and we can finish it off with a dot. So as you can see, hello world. So what this does is it loops through the array strings, which has these values in this case. It creates for each variable in the array, it creates a new temporary variable, which is in this case a string data type. We're going to call it str, and then we're going to perform this code with that variable. So we're going to check if str, so if the current variable we're looping through is equal to hello, which is true the first time but not the second time and the third time, or if str is equal to world, which is not the first time but it is the second time and it's not the third time, then we're gonna do console.write str, which is the value, in this case hello and world, because it's gonna happen twice, because it's checking if either this is true or this is true, which is gonna happen 2 times, and the third time it's not gonna happen. So else, if it's not gonna happen, we're gonna write a dot, which is basically any other values than this or this. So if it's this one, it's gonna do a dot, and if there's no more values left in the list, so if it's gonna check, oh, there's no number 3 in the list, then it's gonna basically stop looping. So if we run our code now for the final results, you can see hello world dot. So it's working. So we loop through an array, and that's basically it into a for each loop. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I've been sick for a while, so uploads are kind of less, or maybe none, and I'm still kind of sick, so it's gonna be less than usual, but after I get better I upload twice a day again. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.